Today's my topic is reorienting education to achieve sustainable development goals. हमने इसके अंदर कुछ पॉइंट्स को रखा है। इस टॉपिक के तहत जैसे हमारा कीवर्ड है reorienting education to sustainable development goals, global issues and technology. Now I'm going to start my topic from introduction. Education plays a vital role in shaping a sustainable future. As the world suffering with complex challenges like climate change, inequality, and resource depletion, the need for transformation in educational system is becoming increasingly urgent to address these global challenges and achieve the United Nations by 2030. By 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, it is essential to reorient educational systems worldwide to focus on the sustainable development goals to achieve from all-round development. The sustainable development goal consists of 17 global and one of them is eradicating poverty, protecting the planet and ensuring prosperity for all. Education is recognized as both a global sustainable development. Goal 4 talks about in the improvement of quality education. Now I am going in detail. Quality education and a critical enabler of all the other goals has a central role to play in enhancing the SDGs. However, to effectively contribute to these ambitious goals, educational systems need to be adopted to power learners with the knowledge, skills, values required to tackle contemporary issues and to create sustainable solutions. Reorienting education for sustainable development means to integrate sustainability principles and practices into the curriculum, teaching methodologies and school policies. This shift not only promotes environmental awareness but also emphasizes social, economical dimensions from all round to develop and maintain the dignity of the sustainable development goals. Through this reorientation, education can become a tool for fostering responsible citizens, critical thinking and collaboration qualities needed to drive challenges to make a positive change at local level, national level and global levels too. Cultivating global citizenship. Sustainable development is inherently global in nature as environmental and social challenges do not adhere to national boundaries. Therefore, education must cultivate a sense of global citizenship where students recognize their interconnectedness with people, with ecosystems around the world. Global citizenship involves fostering values such as respect for diversity, empathy, responsibility, and a commitment to social justice. By teaching students about interconnectedness of the world's ecosystem and the impact of local actions on global systems, education can inspire students to become active participants in the global efforts towards sustainability. This involves teaching not only about environmental sustainability but also about social justice, economic equality, and human rights. Students must understand that sustainable development is not about to preserve the environmental system but also about ensuring that all people have and has to access the resources and opportunities to need to drive the difficulties and eradicate the problem. Technology plays a vital role in advancing sustainable development goals, which were established by the United Nations in 2015 to address global challenges like poverty, inequality, climate change, and environmental degradation for improving education to creating more sustainability economical conditions. Technology can be a tool to accelerate progress in all 17 SDGs. Here is a breakdown of how technology interacts with some key SDGs. But I am going to talk about only the SDG number 4 that talks about in the field of education, educational technology, how we can improve our personality, having the knowledge of educational technology such as AI, ICT and many more resources and tools are available where with the help of those we all can improve our resources and many things. Many research can be happened and occurred seeing the situation of the condition of the bird at the local level, global level, international level. Nowadays, we all the researchers in MA course, in PhD, and in a higher level, whenever we go to seek a solution of a critical condition, we have a suitable problem. So, educational in the era of modern era, educational technology as the AI, artificial intelligence, is playing a vital role to solve the problem. But it has 2 points, such as everything has two sides, two views. One is positive, second one is negative. So it is also has 2 types of situation. We have to handle it how we want to use it. So educational technology in learning platforms and AI-based personalized learning systems are transforming education. Technology allows remote learning, providing access to quality education in understanding and reasons, and can help bridge the digital divide between the learning environment to solve the problems of all-round development. I have concluded one of the points, that one is reorienting education to achieve sustainable development. The concept of sustainable development has gained unprecedented global attention over the past 2 decades. This multifaceted approach seeks to balance environmental, social, economic progress to meet the needs of the present generation without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Education plays a vital role in this endeavor as it equips individuals with the knowledge, skills, values necessary to foster sustainable practices in their communities and across the world. Reorienting education to achieve sustainable development therefore involves transforming the education system to address global challenges such as climate change, poverty, inequality, environmental degradation, and nowadays global warming is a kind of big issue for resolving the issues so many. Integrating sustainability to educational curriculum. Now, when we want to make a positive transformation in the education system, then we have to choose how the curriculum should be framed. Without having a proper curriculum, we cannot make a positive change in the society. So, one of the fundamental steps to reorienting education for sustainable development is the integration of sustainability concepts into curricula at all levels of education. It has a multi-phases where we can conclude. But now I would like to conclude my talk having a short conclusion. Technology is not a stand-alone solution but an enabler of sustainable development. By integrating technology with social, economic and environmental consideration, we can drive progress towards having the SDG from all rounds, having the keywords in the mind, which one is needed at the time of presentation, at the time of solving the problem. That's all. Thank you so much.
सवाल पूछने दो अगर क्वेश्चन से आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा रहा आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन है कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं
मैक्सिमम बच्चे बीएड के हैं तो और पीएचडी स्कॉलर यहाँ पर हैं
क्लास में हम लोग प्रश्न पूछने का टेंडेंसी डेवलप करेंगे जरूरी होगा जी घबराए क्यों कितना अच्छा तो बोले पूछिए आप क्वेश्चन किसी का पूछिए आप अगली बार इस बार फिक्स कर दिया अच्छा रखिए
क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना भी क्वेश्चन है
हाँ
नहीं पूछ रहे हैं इसका मतलब सब समय